Hello everyone, my name is Brandon. I'm 16 and converting to the Catholic faith, and in today's video I wanted to talk about the Gratitude Rosary. You see, when we have a lack of gratitude, whether we realize it or not, we begin to take things for granted and only see the negativity. And when we do so, we do more harm to ourselves, and that pulls us down. So we need to have gratitude in our hearts, being thankful for everything, and when we do so, we uplift ourselves and having enlightenment, having that happiness and joy within and that inner peace. So that is why gratitude is so significant. We need gratitude to have our eyes open to the positivity of things, because when we have a lack in gratitude, our eyes see nothing but the darkness. So we need to open our eyes to see the light of life, and that is in having our eyes in gratitude, seeing things in positivity. So we need to fill our hearts with gratitude, being thankful for everything, and when we do so, we uplift ourselves. And so that is why I wanted to share with you all the Gratitude Rosary. It's a very beautiful, prayerful meditation on having gratitude within, being thankful for everything. So how you do it is you get your normal blessed rosary, and it has all the same prayers as your daily rosary, except for each of the 10 beads where traditionally you would pray 10 Hail Marys, you offer something up to be thankful for. So I'll just give a quick example for you all. I'm thankful for my family. I'm thankful for my friends. I'm thankful for doing well in school. I'm thankful for my YouTube channel, and so on. So pretty much it's the same as your normal rosary, except for each of the 10 beads you offer something up in gratitude to be thankful for. Remember, do not mutter it in vain. Mean it from your heart, and when you do so in seeking gratitude, being thankful for everything, you uplift yourself in positivity. So that is why I wanted to share with you this devotion, because it is so significant for our times, because in our times people are having an issue where we only see negativity. So I just wanted to encourage this devotion to try to seek out positivity, because that is what we need more than ever. So practice this when you can. That's all I have to say. So yeah, thank you for all watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. So remember, support is appreciated, and I'll see you in my next video. So peace out and Ave Maria.